All right, welcome back. Welcome back. Your boy Yadi back again. Another video. All right, keeping the ball rolling. Keeping the ball rolling here. All right. So I'm gonna keep piggybacking off the idea I had in the last video, which is to take the trading process itself, being a top-down process, using the time frames, and also incorporating the risk management aspect. So once we get into trade, how we're managing it, right? Trying to cover all bases here, but trying to pivot more from focusing on one chart and extending that over into different markets, so different charts. So last video I created was on a AUD USD play. I'm gonna be trying to just break down the GBP USD chart using the same top-down process, not too complicated. I'm gonna get right into it. All right. So again, GU, we can see that we're within this monthly range. All right, structure break coming in right here. Right. If you track the storyline, we were here before, sold, came back up, filled, took this low out, right? So broke down, came back up, filled, and then broke down, which gives us the most current range we're in, right? So I'm just establishing that we're within this range and price has pulled into the deeper areas off here and does appear to be heading down towards the low again, right? So we're treating this as a higher time frame target. And as such, we'll get right into it, man. So higher time frame, let's set this is a target. What we're seeing here is the last monthly candle being a bearish one. So we broke the downside. I'm gonna treat this is a target, the most immediate target. So there's a low we've set coming from this high, treating it as protected, right? So from the monthly, I'm gonna go to the weekly and find the most recent break on the weekly, which I'll clear all of this up real quick. Most recent break coming from this low right here, protected by this high. So we're gonna treat this as a target, right? Just peeping the order flow. And I'll go over the trade plan as well, just to make sure we're covering all bases. And from here, what you'll see actually is that on the daily, if we're going to be looking for inefficient candles, with how price has been delivering after breaking down, right? You have all these prices being filled in, all these orders being filled. And as such, the most inefficient area I'm looking at to be filled is this candle itself. You're tracking the movement, what you're really seeing here is a move down, a move up, and a move down, right? This wick is a move up into this prior move that recently broke down. So I'm saying that because the last move down hasn't been filled in yet, and that's what this current move is. And as such, I'll be looking for Wyckoff within this wick, really, which I'll be treating as the daily inefficient candle to then shift to the hourly to start spotting the setup. So I'll go through the plan real quick, right? Which is, oh, go back in there, right? So we've had the monthly give us direction. We found the weekly candle and the break of that structure, and the daily inefficient candle, or the supply candle again in this case. So now we're going to try being on the hourly time frame to spot what possible Wyckoff setup we can. All right. So I'll get back to the chart real quick. If this is the daily, go to the hourly real quick and try spotting where it is that I can see the setup happening from, right? So the most current impulse in the market is from high to low as a way to refine this whole area to find just where the price is more likely to head to. I'm gonna bring this back up to the highest buying to sell candle, the supply candle right here. And if you see how price delivered right here, they bought, sold through the low, came back up and filled in right here. I'll move it to this wick, as I believe that's where price more likely will want to go to, right? Just where liquidity is in terms of, I mean, this being internal liquidity right here, and price needing to fill this little missing price left behind to possibly then go down, right? Again, it can take place within here if it likes. I'm just spotting what I know, and so far I'm not seeing a full setup. So I'm just being patient in terms of what I'm looking for. I expect it to I would expect for it to deliver. Maybe this could be equal highs it's setting up, a breakdown right here, a move up, something like that. But again, not rushing the process as much as we're setting up a play. And right now there is no current clean setup showing itself, but we do understand that we are breaking down and price needs to be heading lower. And as such, in a case like this, is just to be patient and wait for a setup to show itself. So on the hourly, there's nothing shown yet. So I'll keep track of this opportunity, see if I can update this video. That's it for the top down process. So for right now, we are here on the hourly trying to look for the confirmation, and having no confirmation gives us no entry. So we have nothing at risk right now, just looking for a full setup. The top down part is making sense. So monthly, bearish breaking down. Weekly, we found where the last weekly break came from. And then on the daily, we can see that this being the most unmitigated wick, can expect for it to pull deeper up into it. And as such, that's why the hourly zone, I've just refined it to, the last up candle. I can put it to where the actual candle started buying. So right here, actually. Right, so these two candles is the order block that push priced up into the buy before ultimately selling. Exactly. So a 3 hour block has it as the open. We'll see how it treats that area, what kind of setup it gives leading up into that. But for now, that's about it for GU. I appreciate y'all stopping by. Appreciate you allowing me to share information, using your time, check what's going on out. And as such, appreciate it. That's about it for me tonight. You guys have a wonderful night. And yeah, peace out.